Ever panicked at a hotel front desk, wishing you knew just a little Spanish? Don't worry, you're about to learn exactly what to say. Hi, I'm Anna. Picture this. You've just arrived at your dream destination, and now it's time to check into your hotel. But what's the word for reservation? Or how do you ask if breakfast is included? If that sounds familiar, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm about to teach you every essential phrase for your vacations. And if you'd like to do some role play exercises, we already have a video that will help you put these words into practice. You can find the link in the description below. Let's get started. Vámonos. Let's start with checking into a hotel. Here are some words and phrases you'll definitely use. Reservación. For example, tengo una reservación a nombre de Ana Martínez. Recepción. ¿Dónde está la recepción? ¿Llave o tarjeta? ¿Me puede dar la llave de mi habitación, por favor? Sometimes you need to ask for something specific. Here are some handy phrases. ¿A qué hora es el check-in o check-out? ¿Tiene habitaciones disponibles? ¿Está incluido el desayuno? ¿Me puede ayudar con el equipaje? And don't forget the word baño. It's a keyword. ¿Dónde está el baño? Ever wonder what it takes to truly conquer Spanish? In our new podcast, Conquering Spanish Interviews with Learners, we're interviewing students who've done exactly that.
Hey there! Are you on the road to conquer Spanish? Then you won't want to miss our brand new podcast, Conquering Spanish, brought to you by Spanish 55. In each episode, we dive into inspiring stories from language learners just like you.
It's short, inspiring, and the perfect motivation to start your own journey. In the description of this video, I'm leaving a link to one of our students' stories. I hope you enjoy it. Once you're settled, you might need these phrases. No hay agua caliente. El aire acondicionado no funciona. ¿Me puede traer más toallas, por favor? These phrases will help you beyond the hotel, especially if you're on a cruise or exploring a new city. Excursión, for example. Quiero reservar una excursión para las ruinas mayas. All-inclusive is often just said as todo incluido in Spanish. Travel is about connecting with people, and speaking even a little Spanish can open so many doors. These phrases will help you not only navigate hotels, but also build confidence in using Spanish in real-life situations. Want to practice these phrases before your next trip? Visit spanish55.com through the link in the description to schedule a free consultation with a Spanish coach. Personalized one-on-one coaching can help you master travel Spanish and so much more. Thank you so much for joining me today. Learning Spanish isn't just about words. It's about the experiences and connections you'll create along the way. I'll see you next time. Adios!